Hello guys, I am Lisa from GemPages. Welcome to the video tutorial series GemPages 101. Ever heard of product breakdown? It often includes a comprehensive description of each product or service, along with relevant details such as pricing, features, specifications, images, and any other pertinent information. With a product breakdown, you can facilitate a user-friendly and organized browsing experience for your visitors. Want to see it in action? Follow our step-by-step guide in this tutorial video. Let's get started by dragging and dropping a row element to create a section. Click on the newly created section and choose a background color. Set it to full width for an optimal display. Then fine-tune the section's margin and padding in the advanced settings. Make sure you check how it looks on tablets and mobile devices. Moving on to customize the content within the section. First, adjust the row by turning off full width. Next, add a heading element. Customize it. Configure it for other screen types. And center aligning the content. For a subheading, you can add another row, then drag and drop a text block. After that, create a row with a 2-column layout. Disable full width and customize the display settings, including the advanced settings. It's time to add an image. All you have to do is drag and drop the image element and swap it with your desired image. You can even upload a GIF for a fun touch. But remember to avoid multitasking during the upload for smooth results. And there you have it, the first section is a wrap. You can hit the duplicate button to create more sections. Now for the exciting part, let's dive into designing the section using the popular zig-zag layout. This layout showcases featured images, alternate right and left, with text or other content next to each associated image. It's so simple, just drag the image to the right and text to the left. Feel free to mix and match them as you like. And of course, check how it looks on different devices. If the zigzag layout might not look ideal on mobile display, no worries. Simply drag column 2 over column 1 in the left sidebar. Voila! Everything falls into place. Creating a product section breakdown is a breeze, right? But hold on, we've got another game changer that can save you loads of time. GemPages Image to Layout AI feature. It effortlessly converts your reference image and URL into editable layouts. Here's how it works. First, insert a reference image or URL into GemPages. Next, you can select the sections you want to add into your page. By default, all sections are selected, but you can uncheck any sections you don't want. Here's the thing. All the sections will initially be included in one row, which can cause a heavy load when publishing the page. No problem though, simply drag each section to separate them from the row. Then, you're free to style each section by adjusting settings or dragging and dropping elements from the left sidebar. And guess what? You can easily copy the style of one section and paste it onto another section to give them the same style. How cool is that? This is the end of the video in the GemPages 101 series. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on all notification bell to learn more fundamental tips and advice to build a store that sells. Thanks for watching.